Omar, we got to dig into a very closing theme or thought that we had in video number one, and that is about getting around millionaires. You want to be a millionaire? Get around millionaires. You want to become a millionaire, or be a badass in your business? Get in some new rooms. I think there's a lot in that. I've also suffered from, I don't know if it's really a scarcity mindset or willingness, a lack of willingness to kind of spread my wings, but life changed once I realized I needed to audit and change my network. So I'm curious, how big of a change has it been for you investing in yourself, getting in new rooms? How important do you think it is for others to get around millionaires?
Man, it would be it is the ingredient that you're looking for because everybody is looking for something, right? Everybody that I talk to is looking for the next thing, for this, for that.
The
But
next easy
what
button,
people
right?
fail to, yes, 100%. And maybe that easy button is get yourself in the right room. It might cost you some money. It's going to cost you an investment in yourself, but you're already pissing away money at Starbucks, pissing away
Yeah.
money going to dinner with, and it's feeding you, right? For immediate, immediately you're filled with
Mhm.
something, right? Food, drinks, whatever.
Mhm.
But when you invest in yourself, you're not immediately fed because you have to keep going back to your notes and figure this out and implement when you get back and write down stuff. It's not immediate because everybody wants instant gratification of being full, but no one wants to go through the process to learn how to make the food.
Yeah.
So this is something that, like, when you're in these rooms or talking to people like Michael or like myself, we'll give you pretty much everything we got
Yeah.
because we know that 99% of you won't take that shit.
Yeah.
Why?
You know what's really
Because it's
funny?
easy.
You know what's really
Tell me.
funny? I just put out my brand new goals for 2024. And one of them is I want to go to 3 events, paid for events. And I've already done the first one. Shout out the team at Think Media, Sean Cannell. I'm going to his event. I've paid to be a VIP or whatever the top thing is. My money. It's not free. I've spent the money registered like everyone. Um, so I'm going to do that 2 more times. But the reason I bring this up is you and I are going to be a part of an event February 17th and 18th that is sold out. 21 millionaires, 2 days
Yep.
packed of content. I am giving away virtual access to that for $99. And I will give people the video after for $99. And Omar, we only have 41 people signed up. That is asinine.
For,
That only
for the
41.
$99?
Yeah, only 41 people have signed up. Folks, I don't know what you're thinking. It will be more expensive after the event. I'll probably sell it for 200 or 300 bucks. I just think it's
And that's
comical.
even worth it. It's $300. Think about this shit. 300 bucks for 2 days of people breaking down how they made a million, what they're doing to keep making money, how they're creating more doors, how they're creating more relationships, flipping more property, doing it all right in the investing world, if that's
Yeah.
truly where you want to be at.
Yeah.
And you wouldn't even pay $100.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, you guys pissed away more money than that. So that's on you.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's really funny because this event's going to
That's
be
crazy.
entirely driven by the audience. So you're going to get audience questions. You're going to be able to go in unique directions. I've already published the agenda. So hey, you want to go here, Omar speak. Great. You want to go here, or Adrian or Jason or Sean. You know when they're talking. And oh, by the way, I know you can't watch all 20 hours back to back. So you get the video. So watch everybody else after. Rewatch them. It's
So
I
good.
just think it's comical when we think about these events that you and I spend hundreds, if not thousands of dollars to go to. And we're putting on an event with ORAT that sold out quick. And now I'm spending extra money giving people access to 99 bucks and 41 people have signed up. It makes me chuckle. It's comical to me.
You should get that number, man, to 500 people. I mean, it's a free $99. I mean, to be honest, it's free. It's
Yeah,
free for the information. It's like, you know what? You should charge $1,000 for it, and then you'd
yeah,
probably get
yeah,
100 people to do it.
yeah,
It's just insane. Oh, it's $99 because it's virtual, but you got to do
yeah.
the work. You still got to plug in. You still got to hit the little Zoom button link. You know,
Oh
it's
no.
like that takes so much time. Yeah.
It's so funny. Folks, if you want, yeah, if you want to go see the agenda, I'll put the Eventbrite link below. I had not planned to take this conversation that way, but when we started this at the end of video number one, we talked about what really changed for you was getting around millionaires. And I know
Yeah.
because we've talked privately about the tens of thousands of dollars you spend in masterminds, your quarterly events that you go to, which are a lot more than $99. It makes me laugh. But just how much have they changed your business and how, I mean, they've helped you 2, 3, 4x your business, which is wild to think about.
Well, you know what, Michael? What's funny is when you're there, you're getting around other people that have done it, and
Yeah.
you're like, oh, you know what it is? It's just called validation that it can be done. It's validation for you to see somebody else do it, and then your automatic response, your trigger is going to be like, well, if that guy can do it and he doesn't represent the skills that I have, because you have to be self-confident about what you're doing anyways.
Yeah.
And guess what? How many times do you see people win that probably aren't as good as you?
Yeah.
And does that piss you off? Well,
Yes.
good, because it's going to
Good.
piss you off even more. And then you're going
Yeah.
to want to go back and you're going to want to talk to people and be like, damn, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, cool. Then at one point, you're going to become humbled because you're not the big dog.
Yeah.
And that's the thing. Everybody wants to be the big fucking guy.
Yeah.
But guess what? I want to be the smallest guy in the biggest damn room
Yeah.
because now I have more room for growth.
Yeah. It's so funny. What I've really come to appreciate now being on YouTube for 5 years and helping tens of thousands of people is, and I just did a brand new playlist called New Investors, which is a lot of fun. Everybody's less than 5 years investing, most people under 3. And you come to appreciate that I people just want somebody that's 1 or 2 steps ahead. And sometimes you're 1 or 2
Yeah.
steps ahead from people and you can pull them up. And that's why getting in the right rooms, folks, I've said this 100 times and I'll say it 100 times more. Your friends suck. They're holding you
Oof.
back.
Oof.
They're holding you back. They don't want you to grow. They want you to be just like you were yesterday. You need new friends. And that's one of the things I love about the event in Vegas that sold out 300 people, because they're going to be able to make new friends that are people are along the path. And yeah, you'll get to hear from 21 millionaires and we'll have a party and all of that. But you should be able to make new friends and memories that you can hold on to. And yeah, I still go back to that 99 bucks. Oh, thinking of the thousands of dollars that we spent over the years getting in new rooms and to get just a little bit better.
You know, at least those 41 took
Yeah,
action.
yeah, that's
And
true.
you know what? They took action, Michael. It's not over yet. And they're going to hear this. And then a lot of people that were on the fence,
Yeah,
guess what?
we'll
They're
see.
going to go ahead and subscribe. Send me over that link too, and I'll share it on my stories and stuff.
Yeah, I'll do that. Folks, do me a favor. If you're watching this and you're going to buy your ticket today, leave a comment below. Omar and I will think about something to do. Maybe we'll do a raffle or something for those folks. Um,
That'd be
I don't know.
cool.
Let's just have some fun. Omar, where can people find you?
Guys, follow me on IG at Invest with Omar, or go to my website, omaralfaro.com.
Thank you, buddy. Appreciate you.